Today, we'd like to introduce a durable and easy-to-handle drum-type fiber optic cable designed for temporary installations. If you use fiber optic cables for live broadcasting or outdoor events, then temporary installation might be necessary. To address these challenges, we developed the portable armored fiber optic cable drum for temporary use. The fiber is securely protected by a metal conduit, making it resistant to crushing and pulling forces. In addition, the metal conduits features a corrugated structure similar to a shower hose, which allows for easy handling. It also resists the typical bending memory of cables and is lightweight for convenient transport. We also offer a wide variety of compatible connectors. The cable jacket comes in two types, PVC and elastomer. The PVC type is thin and lightweight, suitable for standard connectors. The elastomer type, reinforced with aramid fibers, that is suitable for waterproof connectors. The portable armored fiber optic cable drum is already being used in various situations, not only for video transmission, but also as an emergency solution during disasters when existing fiber cables are damaged. In such cases, it can quickly restore critical 24-core connections and help minimize downtime. By eliminating common issues, such as cable breakage and difficult handling, this product ensures stable communication for temporary installations. Lengths and fiber counts can be customized to meet your specific needs, so we invite you to experience its ease of use in your applications.